Good morning students. Last video we seen exercise 5.2. Today we are going to see exercise 5.3. First of all we see the example problems. Example 5.17. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 5, 7 and its first subdivision is parallel to x-axis, second subdivision is parallel to y-axis. So this is x-axis. In x-axis you know y is equal to 0. Then y-axis, in y-axis x is equal to 0. Equation of a straight line passing through 5, 7. You just mark the points 5 and 7 in the x and y axis respectively. So the general form of coordinates is x, y. So you just mark the point 5 in the x-axis and 7 in the y-axis. Then you just mark the meeting point of 5 and 7. 5 and 7. So you get a straight line. Then you have to find which one is parallel to x-axis. So the line parallel to x-axis is nothing but y is equal to 7. Then parallel to y-axis. So obviously parallel to y-axis is x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. That's all. Then next example 5.18. Find the equation of a straight line whose first subdivision slope is 5 and y-intercept is -9. Then second subdivision inclination is 45 degree and y-intercept is 11. So given slope, that is nothing but the value of m is equal to 5 and the y-intercept, that is c value is -9. You know the formula, equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to the value of m is 5 into x plus c value is -9. So plus into minus you get -9, which is implies you get y is equal to 5x minus 9. You have to form the equation of a straight line. So you just taking y to the right hand side. So now you get the equation 5x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Then second subdivision inclination is 45 degree and y-intercept is 11. Inclination is nothing but angle of elevation, that is theta value. So given theta is equal to 45 degree, which is nothing but you have to find the slope. So m is equal to tan theta. You know the theta value is 45 degree. So tan 45 value is 1. So the value of m, that is nothing but slope is equal to 1. And y-intercept value is given in the question is 11. So c value is 11. So the required equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to 1 into x plus 11. You have to form the equation. So y is equal to 1 into x is x plus 11. So x minus y plus 11 is equal to 0. So you just taking y to the right hand side, you get the equation x minus y plus 11 is equal to 0. Example 5.19. Calculate the slope and y-intercept of the straight line 8x minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. So previous example they give the slope and y-intercept value using the formula y is equal to mx plus c. You just find the equation of the straight line. So here they given the equation of the straight line. You have to find the slope and y-intercept. So given equation of a straight line is 8x minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then 8x minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0, which is implies you just taking the given equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So which is nothing but we are taking minus 7y to the left hand side. So it will become 7y. Minus will become plus. So 7y is equal to 8x plus 6. Dividing both sides by 7, you get y is equal to 8 by 7x plus 6 by 7. So comparing with y is equal to mx plus c, because this is the general equation of the straight line, you get the value of m, that is nothing but slope. M is equal to 8 by 7. This is the slope value. And c is 6 by 7. That is y-intercept. C is nothing but the y-intercept. C is equal to 6 by 7. Then next example 5.20. The graph relates temperatures y in Fahrenheit degree to temperature x in Celsius degree. First A, find the slope and y-intercept. So first subdivision you have to find the value of slope and y-intercept. Then B is write an equation of the line. So in this graph one line is given, you have to find the equation of the line. Then C, what is the mean temperature of the earth in Fahrenheit degree if its mean temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So this is the question is given. So first A, slope and y-intercept you have to find. So slope of a line joining the 2 points is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for finding a slope of a line joining 2 points. So here you know two coordinates 0, 32 and 20, 68. Here you have two coordinates. The first coordinates is nothing but x1, y1 and second coordinate is x2, y2. So you just substitute it in the formula. Slope m is equal to y2 value is 68 minus y1 value is 32 divided by x2 value is 20 minus x1 value is 0. Therefore, the slope m is equal to 68 minus 32 is nothing but 36 divided by 20. So, if you cancel out 20 and 36, you get 5 times and 36 is 9 times. Therefore, the slope m is equal to 9 by 5. Then, you have to find the y-intercept. That is, the line crosses the y-axis at 0, 32, which is nothing but the y-intercept is 32. Next one B, you have to find the equation of the straight line. So the required equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. You are now find the value of m, that is slope value is 9 by 5 and c value, that is y-intercept value is 32. So you just substitute the value in the equation, which is implies y is equal to 9x by 5 plus 32. The next step, you have to take LCM. So 9x plus 32 into 5 divided by 5, which is implies y is equal to 9x plus 32 into 5 is 160 divided by 5. Then the next step, 9x plus 160 is equal to 5x. You just cross multiplied 5 into y is 5y. So which is implies 9x minus 5y. We just taking 5y to left hand side. So 9x minus 5y plus 160 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. Then next C, mean temperature of the earth in Fahrenheit if its mean temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So in Celsius, the mean temperature of the earth is 25 degree. To find the mean temperature in Fahrenheit, you have to find the value of y when x is equal to 25. So first equation implies y is equal to 9 by 5 into x plus 32. When you just substitute x is equal to 25, you get 9 into 5 plus 32, because if you substitute x is equal to 25, 25, 5 gets cancelled, means you get 5 times. So 9 into 5 plus 32. So y is equal to 9 into 5 is 45 plus 32. The value of y is equal to 77. So therefore, the mean temperature of the earth is 77 degree.